Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Well, what do we have here? A chainsaw scabbard with wings on it. I know what some of you are saying right now. Those wings are there so your chainsaw will fly further when you throw it because it won't start. No, that's not what it's for. The owner of this company, the developer of this product, sent me this, and he didn't make any mention of a video, just so you know. He just said, Steve, I just want you to see this thing. I want you to give me some feedback on it. So his name's Mike Hasler, and he owns a company down in Illinois, I believe, United States of America. Mike, I hope you don't mind, but I'm doing a video anyway, because if you want feedback, you're about to get some feedback. I want all you ladies and gentlemen out there, put comments down in the comment section and tell all of us, especially Mike, because I know he's going to be reading through the comments, what do you think about this thing? I'm not going to tell you what I think about it because I don't want to influence what you're going to say. I'm just going to show you how this works. Here's a chainsaw right here, my little chainsaw. And that thing is made to put on your bar so it won't tip over when you put it in the back of your truck. And I mean, this is an example right here. This is actually a pretty tippy chainsaw. Not all chainsaws are this tippy, but I mean, look how easy this is to tip over. It doesn't take going around a very far corner or a very tight corner to actually make this thing tip over and roll around. It keeps your chainsaw from getting scratched up, maybe even damaging your chainsaw, because some of these plastic brake handles can break pretty easy too when it flips around upside down. So you put that bar scabbard on there, and those wings are like little stabilizer wings. And now, look how far I got to tip that over. Finally, it's almost sideways anyway before it actually tips over. It's called the No-Roll Saw Saver, made in the USA. Are you kidding me? That's pretty cool. It's been a long time since I saw a product with that stamped on it. There is a link underneath this video in the description and in the pinned comment to Mike's website. Go back to that website. There's a lot more information on this thing at his website, so go check that out, including the price and everything on there. So there you go. That's all I got to say about that. Be honest with your comments. Steve out.